Hello students, welcome back to English Grammars class. We are going to continue with chapter number 5, adjectives. So in the last video we solved few exercises. Now today we are going to understand the order of adjectives. Now if there are so many adjectives in one sentence, then how you are going to order the adjectives that we are going to learn today. Now, see, let us take one example. Suppose you are having one dress which is of cotton, which is red, which is very big in size, and it is very nice dress. So, how you are going to make a sentence out of it? So you need to arrange this all the things, all the adjectives in proper manner, right? In proper sequence you need to arrange all the adjectives. So in that, first thing what you are going to write, you are going to write determiner. Determiner means a, and, the, this, that, this all are determiner. Then, second thing you are going to write is your opinion, whether the dress is nice, good, great, terrible, pretty, lovely. This way, this is called opinion, in which you are going to give your opinion. Then you are going to mention size. Size, for example, huge, big, large, tiny, enormous, little, etc. Then you are going to mention age. Suppose if anything related to age is given, for example, the dress is very old. So then old, young, new, ancient, like this. Age is given, then that you are going to mention. Then you are going to mention shape, triangular, square, round, flat, like that. Then you are going to mention the color, black, yellow, any color. Then origin means from where it is originated, British, Chinese, Indian, Italian, like that. Then you are going to mention the material, wooden, silk, metal, cotton, copper, anything. Then the purpose. Purpose what will come? Writing, cooking, running, washing, like that. And at the end you are going to write nouns. Understood? So this is the sequence you are going to follow. Now you must be thinking that how you will remember this sequence. But in your book there is one tip given. So here is the tip. One easy way to remember the order is by saying upsi comma. Now, upsi comma means up means opinion, si means size, ko means color, and ma means material. So, this is the sequence you are going to follow. Upsi comma. This word you are going to remember so that you can arrange it in a sequence. Now, on page number 33, you are given one exercise. You have to rewrite the sentences below, adding the adjectives in brackets. The first one has been done for you. Now, first one it is, you can keep your textbook in your hand. One day, Mother Bear made some porridge. That is, in the bracket, it is given tasty and wheat. So, here, tasty is an opinion and wheat is a material. So, first you will use tasty and then you will use wheat. So, your answer will be one day, Mother Bear made some tasty wheat porridge. Second one, the porridge was too hot to eat immediately, so they went out for a walk. Now here you have to use nice and little. Here again nice is an opinion and little is related to size. So first you will use nice and then you will use little. So our answer will be the porridge was too hot to eat immediately, so they went out for a nice little walk. Okay, now third one. Goldilocks came into the bear's house. She had golden hair. Here you are given long and beautiful. Here again see, long is related to size and beautiful is an opinion. So first you will use beautiful, then you will use long. So our answer will be she had beautiful long golden hair. Understood? Here first we have used beautiful and then we have used long. Fourth one, she sat in the bear's chairs and accidentally broke baby bear's chair. Here you have to use small and wooden. Now wooden is a material and small is size. So first you are going to use size and then you are going to use material. So our answer will be she sat in the bear's chair and accidentally broke baby bear's small wooden chair. Okay. Next one. She saw the food on the table and ate the porridge. Here delicious and warm. Now here you are going to see this one, delicious is an opinion, okay, and warm is related to, you can see it is related to shape, or it's also an opinion. So first you are going to use opinion and then you are going to use other things. So your answer will be she saw the food on the table and ate the delicious warm porridge. Okay, next one, then she covered herself with a quilt and slept. Here you have to see, here three adjectives are given: blue, small and silky. So here blue is color, small is size and silky is material. So first you are going to use size, then color and then material. So your answer will be, then she covered herself with the small blue silky quilt and slept. Clear? Next one, when the bears woke her up, Goldilocks ran through the forest till she reached home. Here three adjectives are given: green, big and scary. So again here green is a color, big is a size and scary is an opinion. Okay, so you are going to use this way. When the bears woke her up, Goldilocks ran through the scary big green forest till she reached home. Okay, so here what we understood, we have to use the adjectives in a sequence to give it proper meaning. Understood? Now on page number 34 you are given the another exercise. Let us solve that. Here you have to fill the crossword by finding out the opposites of the adjectives given below. So first one is awake. Now what will be the opposite of awake? Opposite of awake will be asleep. So across you will write asleep. Then poor, rich, unkind, kind, child, adult, false, true. Similarly on the down you are going to write unreal, real, happy, sad, humble, proud, then first, last, and bright, what will come? Dull. Okay, so this way you are going to fill the answers. Now next one, exercise H. Replace the adjectives in the brackets with their synonyms from the word box. Now first one is given, the judge was fair and in bracket it is given impartial in her ruling in court. So here you have to write the synonyms. So impartial means just, okay, impartial means just. See, we used to say no, injustice, this is injustice, so opposite of injustice is justice. So here just word means it is impartial. Next one, the unwell dash children of the class were sent home immediately. Here unwell means they are sick. Third one, the old dash ruins. The Greek temples are still in good condition. So old means ancient. The Khans live in gigantic house at the end of the road. So here gigantic means huge. The courageous dash knight fought the dragon all by himself. Courageous means brave. Okay. Courageous means brave. So these are the answers. Now we have finished this chapter. So in the next day, I'm going to send you the PDF of all these exercises so that you can write down the answers. Till that time, you practice the chapters we have finished. Bye bye. Have a nice day.